Hi, and thanks for watching this video about the Study Smart Seminar, presented by me, Enda O'Doherty. This Study Skills Seminar is a comprehensive and 2-hour engaging workshop. It's designed to empower students of all ages with essential tools and techniques to help them excel in their academic pursuits. I'm an expert in the field of study skills, and I bring a wealth of experience and expertise to guide the participants towards their goals. The real benefits of this program are improved academic performance, enhanced study techniques, better time management skills, a reduction in students' stress and anxiety, and of course increased confidence. During the seminar we cover learning styles, efficient note-taking, memory techniques, time management techniques, how to get organised and plan for those exams, reading strategies, test preparation, exam day strategies, study environment and positive habits, digital tools for studying. It's a fantastic seminar. As a bonus, all participants in this seminar will receive a complimentary copy of my Study Skills book. The book is packed with practical exercises and innovative ideas, providing a valuable resource to help students participate and to maximise their potential. This seminar is designed to transform students' experience in school, to help them excel, to help them focus on the Leaving and Junior Cert. Don't miss out on this exciting seminar. Contact me at info@endodoherty.ie or 086 677 2154 to book this event for your school.